dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance comes.
Today we are in Ibiza. Ibiza is the island off of the coast. It's part of three islands, Mallorca, Ibiza, and Formayo, I think is the name of it. And they're the three islands of a group called Below, whatever I bring below. And it's a lovely island. It's called the Party Island of Spain. It's very upscale. Wealthy people live here. For a 3-bedroom apartment condo, it's about $2 to $3 million. And people come here and party and enjoy the weekends, and the full-time students.
And it's full of quaint shops and cobblestone pathways, and lots of places to eat. Ice cream sandwiches, wine, beer. Beautiful place to explore.
So, enjoy as we go along this journey of YOLO. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to make a comment, I'd appreciate it. Good, bad, or indifferent. And I'd like to answer it as soon as I can.
On our right side, there is small restaurant connected area with 6 niches.
As you can see by these videos, they're very, very high-end condos, very wonderful squares. Here's one with a old man of the sea, and quite interestingly, the same monument is in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Very affluent shopping streets, very clean, very neat, has a feel of a Nantucket or a Martha's Vineyard type of place. Wonderful shops to get leather goods, high fashion, and of course you have in certain areas the couture stores that you find in many parts of Europe and in the major cities. And of course in all cities, because people shop every day, there are the vegetable stands that are out and people get their daily vegetables. And in the more productive farm areas, they're very ubiquitous. As we get further into the city, we went up a couple of hills and went to the upper plaza of the medieval city, which again showed us that there were restaurants and cafes, and you got a real feel for the lifestyle of these Spaniards in this resort town.
Yes, linens and silks, and very nice and very expensive and very bohemian.
By watching these videos, being there, you can really imagine spending a week or 2 weeks here on vacation and enjoying the very quiet and laid back.
You're getting pistachio and pronounce the other is stracciatella in a big waffle cone. Flavors. Married to an Italian, can't speak Italian. Well, how does it compare?
The real thing. You want to clean it up for me?
No.
Because of the coastline and the marinas, Ibiza is a mecca for yachts from all over Europe who spend their summers here. Are you going in? Huh?
Right.
It's a new project.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have to go in.
but it's jackets. They're covering up.
I have to say that getting around in my mobility scooter was real easy. Cobblestone sometimes a little rough and my teeth were chattering, but other than that, I got around really well. As we started to return back to the ship, again, we just marveled at what a wonderful harbor, very well protected. We had a nice berth and a good view of the city, and of course the boats in the water and so on had a real tranquil feel to them.
YOLO adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance,
watching, and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.